Hello guys, today I'll be discussing about IAL Economics or else Edexcel Economics Unit 1 4 marks question from Production Possibilities Curve. So we all know in our Unit 1 paper we get 5 4 marks questions where they will be assessing your knowledge, application and analysis skills. So this is a sample question I'll be discussing with you, and I'll be helping you to understand how you can write a complete answer to obtain 4 marks for this type of questions. So this is the question. This question is extracted from examiner's reports which was published in Pearson Education website. So if you want, you can access the materials through Pearson website and get them downloaded. So the question was, Lithuania's population decreased from 3.7 million in 1989 to 2.9 million in 2015. Ceteris paribus, explain the likely impact of this change in population on Lithuania's production possibility frontier. Illustrate your answer with a diagram. So this is a question. You will be given 4 marks. First you need to understand for what you will be given 4 marks. For knowledge, you will receive 1 mark. For application, you will receive 1 mark. And for analysis, you will receive 2 marks. Now, for your knowledge 1 mark, what you can do, you can start drawing a production possibility frontier. That shows your theory knowledge about constructing a PPF. Application knowledge. How can you get application knowledge? If you look at the small case study given here, Lithuania's population decreased from 3.7 million in 1989 to 2.9 million in 2015. Now we learn in production possibilities curve lesson, when there is a fall in population or when there are changes in population, that can impact on PPF. How? Especially when the population is decreasing, that reduces number of people can produce labor skills to the economy. So population has decreased, so the quantity of labor in this country has decreased. So what will happen to the PPF of this country? PPF of Lithuania will shift to the left because there will be a decrease in quantity of labor in this economy. So to obtain your knowledge mark, you can draw a PPF. To obtain your application marks, what you can do, you can apply this data given in the question and find out what has happened to the PPF. Let me go to the whiteboard and show you how to start your. Right. So in your paper, when you get a question like this, now you know to obtain knowledge marks, you can start drawing a PPF. So how to draw a proper PPF? It's important to label X and Y axis. So the PPF is constructed for 2 different goods. You can choose any combination of goods. So I'll be taking here capital goods, and for my X axis I'll be taking consumer goods. And this PPF is constructed for Lithuania. So you can label this PPF as Lithuania's PPF or else PPF for country Lithuania. So PPF for Lithuania. So I have labeled my x-axis and y-axis. Not only that, I have named my PPF. So we all know PPF has concave shape. So we can label it as X and X dash. Now if you could remember, there is a fall in population from 1989 to 2015. So fall means there will be a decrease in labor force. So therefore our PPF is shifting to inward or leftward. So when you show the inward shift or else leftward shift, do not forget to show it with arrows. Then we know PPF has shifted inward. So let's label this as Y1. So if you initially draw the PPF, you get 1 mark for knowledge. Now you get information from the case study and you applied that information into this PPF and you demonstrated PPF has shifted left because of the fall in population. So that helps you to get 2 marks because the second mark will be awarded for application marks. Right. Let's get back to the question and find out how can we score analysis marks. Ceteris paribus, explain the likely impact of this change in population on Lithuania's production possibility frontier. So here we are expecting students to analyze the impact of decrease in population. So you can start with the decrease in population and you can mention due to the decrease in population, the quantity of labor in this country has decreased. As a result, the production possibility curve has shifted to the left. Let me share with you a complete answer written by a student. This is a sample answer written by a student. You can see he has labeled X and Y's, consumer goods in Lithuania, capital goods in Lithuania. And his initial PPF is here and he has labeled his second PPF. So by doing that, he has scored knowledge mark and application mark. Let's look at his explanation. A decrease in Lithuania's population from 3.7 million in 1989 to 2.9 million in 2015 will result in an inward shift in the PPF from PPF 1 to PPF 2 as the productive potential of the economy has decreased because labor has decreased, size of workforce. Now you can see your explanation marks or analysis marks. You don't need to write a lengthy explanation. You can mention as your answer, in this economy, population has decreased from 3.7 million to 3.9 million. As a result, PPF has shifted inward because the quantity of labor in this economy has decreased, which has decreased productive efficiency of the economy. So if you mention all that in a small description, that will help you to score 4 marks because you will score 2 marks for analysis. Remember always, in analysis marks, you need to explain briefly the impact of the decrease in population in this economy. So for that, you have to talk about the shift in PPF and why this shift was created. It was created due to fall in productive efficiency because quantity of labor has decreased. So if you can write them in a very small paragraph, you can score all 4 marks given for this question. This is another sample answer student has given. So this student has constructed the PPF consumer goods, capital goods. You can see he has showed us that the PPF is moving inward. So for constructing the PPF and labeling X and Y axis, he can score 1 mark. Also, he has showed PPF is shifting inward or leftward. That is also helping him to get application marks. But he hasn't explained us why the PPF moved inward. That is due to decrease in population, but you have to explain it. Therefore, this student scored 2 marks out of 4 marks. So always remember, when they ask you to explain, draw the graph but give a brief explanation. So for 4 marks question like this, to demonstrate your knowledge, you can do a definition or a graph. For application marks, you can apply data from the case study. So they gave information population decrease from 1989 to 2050. So that decrease is shifting your PPF inward. So that is application. Analysis. To score analysis marks, you should explain impact of changes mentioned in the case study. I'm going to point out how you should write a complete answer in exam. So remember, in upcoming videos I'll be discussing about few more questions from production possibilities lesson. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for upcoming past paper questions and lessons. Thank you for watching this video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Do not forget to drop a comment and your feedback about this video.